Welcome back to the program Spoken English. Good morning, this is Dr. Haris Moria helping you out to get a better understanding of English language to enable you to communicate grammatically, confidently, and fluently with a great authority and command in a certain given situation. Guys, the program is gaining ground and as it reaching the wide public by its theme and persuasion. So, for this and for everything, we thank all of you. Today's topic is again very interesting one, Thanksgiving. गाइज आपको ये बताने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि कैसे स्टेज में हम लोगों को स्पीच देते हैं, लोगों के सामने स्पीच देते हैं और स्पीच में क्या क्या चीज़ है, कंपोनेंट्स क्या हैं, कैसे दिए जाते हैं। कई वीडियो में हम ये बताते आ रहे हैं। आज हमको आपको बताएंगे कि थैंक्स गिविंग कैसे दिया जाता है। तो थैंक्स गिविंग का मतलब होता है, थैंक्स गिविंग इज़ ए प्रोसेस इन विच वी थैंक टू ऑल दोज who are present in a certain function and are responsible to make it a grand success. So all the people presented there are subject to thank. Maybe the audience, maybe the dignitaries sitting on the dais are the chief guests in a special way and in a special seat. So all of them are subject to thanks. तो हम कैसे थैंक्स देते हैं, इसके लिए हमको जानना पड़ेगा। कुछ पॉइंट्स को हम नरेट करते हैं कि जैसे हम किसी को अगर थैंक्स कहते हैं तो आई थैंक यू, डोंट रिपीट इट अगेन. Repetition should be avoided. You should not repeat, I thank Mr. such and such, I thank Mr. such and such. No, this repetition should be avoided by the language you speak. You adopt different language in different situation with different people. तो ये है, और use different adjectives just to enliven the speech or enliven the program. You just use different adjectives with different persons or different situations. And third thing is that anyone who is giving thank, generally he or she is anchor या host, or I may say the very experienced person. So he or she may have clear cut knowledge of the dignitaries or the guests sitting on the dais, as well as the chief guest, as well as the program on which things are spoken, as well as the audience present there. So he should have 100% knowledge, the content and the 100% knowledge of the content. So that sort of person is qualified for Thanksgiving. Why qualified? He might be knowing each and every person present on the dais, what is his contribution, why he is famous for, why he is reputed. So all these things he must have known earlier, beforehand. So guys, would have thanks are very important part, and then we should have a certain way. For example, we, as I say, we should not repeat it. Achha, Thanksgiving is the process in which you thank to someone for his or her contribution, the way one is contributing to your program, and the way one is a very important part of the program. and the way one has given his or her priceless time, invaluable time to the program. For each and everything you thank. So, in that way, we see the method of thanking is will be different, uh, ought to be different. Just to, you can, of course, there is no compulsion that you say this way or that way, but in a good meeting, in a good speech, your way of thanking would be different, and then enliven and attractive and inspiring. So, just a very simple way you should say at the outset, I would like to thank Mr. Sharma for his valuable time he has given to us today. I know Mr. Sharma is a very busy person, but we are very glad that he is among us and giving his valuable time. So you may say one way. Another way of saying is that my honor goes to Mr. Yash Biswas. He is a reputed person in the city, and but he has a great concern to our institution. He has donated 5,000 rupees to our students. So we must thank him also, and our honor goes to Mr. Yash Vishwanathan. Again, you may say thanks are due to Naveen Patnaik for his valuable time he has given, and his serious concern with our institution, the development of our institution. And Mr. Patnaik has already given us in a previous he has been helping us from many years. So we are very thankful for him. And another is kudos to Mr. Rashid and his team. We need money, and Mr. Rashid and his team has raised a fund, and it was a handsome amount of money, and had he not done that, this program would not have been great success. So we thank also to Mr. Rashid and his team. Again, we can say how can we not thank? How can we miss Mrs. Anpurna? She has been very serious lady, and her concern is great to our institution. So whenever we call her, we need her, she is always there. She has been spending her valuable time in past also, and today she is among us. So we also thanks to her. I fail in my duty. I fail in my duty if I do not thank Mr. Amrohi. Mr. Amrohi has been a great patriot, and he is known to our city as a great citizen, a great freedom fighter, and his concern is always Indian, and he has shown us the way we should love our country, and we should a sense of patriotism. So we thanks to him. Thanks to him. Above all, we cannot forget the contribution of SDO civil of our town, who has given various kinds of help in terms of physical, moral, and monetary. We also thank him. Apart from that, we thanks to our audience, who, in spite of many hours in a program, has been patiently listening to us and clapping us and encouraging us to us and we also thanks the programmers who has done lot of job for last few days, coming to rehearsal and making the program a great success. At last, I would thanks to Mr. Sartenman, and then we just end the program. So, guys, this is the way we should thanks. We should thank to the people coming in any function. Maybe it may be teachers, students function, yeah, teacher parents teacher meetings, or say annual function, or say any kind of function, maybe political, social, any kind of function. So the view is the same. We should thank to because thanksgiving is a divine act. God says that we should be obliged to anyone who is helping us. So this is a divine act. So for each and everything we should give thanks. So thanksgiving is a very important part of the what do you call meeting, and I just explaining it because see, if you hold the meeting and if you hold the stage, and if you are successful speaker, public speaker, that is you are the most important person, and getting this quality means you are doing the great job in life. You can be hero anywhere, going there and holding the mic and enthralling the audience. So this is a great quality, and that came under the program of spoken English. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you very much.